Remediation actions are performed when it has been confirmed that an incident is a true positive, or when an incident has strong indicators of malicious activity. This responsibility weighs the most because the cybersecurity analyst has to decide whether remediation actions are required, and if so, what action should be taken. To name a few: malware scans, password resets, user account disablement, and endpoint isolation. An added challenge is that different organizations have different types of IT environments. For a small retail store, isolating a production server may cause only minimal business disruptions, while for a hospital it could even be a matter of life and death. If, however, adequate remediation actions are not performed, or they are performed too late, the results can be equally bad. Moreover, the organization may suffer reputational damage, not to mention potential fines, sanctions, and litigation fees that may ensue. It is important that cybersecurity analysts take their role and responsibility seriously. It is not a game. That said, all of us make mistakes, and no one is without error. Even the brightest minds in our industry fail sometimes. Therefore, do not be weighed down by the responsibility. Be serious. But if you do make a mistake, as all of us do, learn from it. Do better next time.